I received this big, beautiful mystery box from the National Tourism Board in Italy, Enid, and it's filled with Italian products. Enid asked me if I wanted to make some authentic Italian dishes with these local products. But I'm not a great cook, so I called in someone to support me. And who is better than my own mother with Italian roots? Buongiorno! So, Mom, tell me a little bit about your Italian roots.
Okay, my grandfather was Italian, and so he came to Belgium and he married here, and so I'm born here.
And do you also speak Italian?
A little bit.
So can we hear you say something in Italian?
What do you want that I tell you?
That you are looking forward to cook with these amazing products?
Mi piace cucinare italiano.
So I already know the answer to this question, but do you cook a lot of Italian food?
Yeah, of course, we cook a lot of Italian food.
What's your favorite dish?
Yeah, pasta frutti di mare, pasta alla carbonata e tutte le paste.
Okay, so let's see what's in this box and what we can make with these products. Ooh, I see a lot of booze. That's great. No, I see pasta, tartufi.
Tartufo bianco.
And that looks good. I don't know what it is.
Crema di tartufo.
Can you open this?
Okay.
And I see, is that amaretto or something? I don't know. We're gonna taste it. Oh, prosecco.
Carciofi tartufo.
Wine. Rosé. Great.
A lot of wine.
Do you think we can make something with this?
Yeah.
Can we make whole menu with it?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Let's
Let's
start.
Okay.